Welcome to the video on how to avoid common mistakes in ordering and order fulfillment on Meesho. To run a successful online business, processing and fulfilling your orders effectively is crucial. Fulfilling orders on time means higher visibility on the Meesho app, more satisfied customers, and improved sales performance. All these factors lead to higher orders. While processing orders, you may miss some important steps which could impact your online business and lead to deductions or even account deactivation. Let's dive into a few of these common mistakes and see how to avoid them. 1. Ignoring expected dispatch date. Meeting the expected dispatch date is important to keep customers satisfied and helps you to optimize your operational performance. Ignoring the expected dispatch date means A. Negative feedback from customers. B. Increased risk of order cancellation. C. Increased RTO chances. If the dispatch date is ignored continuously, your account will be put on hold or deactivated temporarily. Hence, ensure that your orders are dispatched before or on the same day of the expected dispatch date. Check the expected dispatch date in the order section of the supplier panel to find the date. You can also use the filter "Breaching Soon" to see which orders need urgent dispatch. 2. Downloading labels after 11 am. Downloading labels and manifests tells your logistic partners that your shipments are ready to be picked up. Download labels before 11 am for same-day pickups and download labels after 11 am for next-day pickups. 3. Downloading shipment labels before orders are ready for dispatch. Ensure to download labels before 11 am for only those shipments that can be packed and dispatched on the same day. If the shipments cannot be made ready before the arrival of logistic partners, then we strongly recommend downloading the label only after 11 am. Downloading more labels than your delivery capacity may lead to your account being put on hold. 4. Not recording the pickup boy's name, date of pickup, count of items shipped, and delivery partner's signature on the order manifest during dispatch. The order manifest is the only proof of shipment handovers to pickup agents. A common mistake that creates problems when disputes occur in the shipping or scanning process is not printing the shipping manifest to take a pickup agent's signature. Shipping and scanning queries can be solved effectively with a signed copy of the product manifest for your orders. You can download the manifest from the Ready to Ship tab in the Orders section. Select multiple orders that you want to dispatch and click on the Download Manifest button. 5. Adding more inventory in your catalogs than you have. This is a very common mistake made by many suppliers, where they update more inventory than they actually have with them. The problem arises when you get orders larger than your inventory count allows you to fulfill. For example, if you have 10 items in your actual inventory but added 30 items on the supplier panel, there is a chance you will get orders larger than 10 items based on the 30 items you added. It may also risk your account being deactivated. Please always update inventory count honestly and carefully. You can cross-check and update your inventory through the supplier panel. Click on the inventory section. See the items listed out with the inventory count and update it with your actual inventory. 6. Not marking items as out of stock even if there is no physical inventory. Not marking catalogs that have no inventory as out of stock is a very common mistake. It leads to unwanted orders and impacts the customer's experience when those orders get cancelled. Don't forget to update the status of catalogs that are out of stock to avoid such issues. You can update their status in the inventory section of your supplier admin panel. Kindly update the inventory to 0 for items that are out of stock. Following the suggestions mentioned above will help you manage your business better and positively impact your customers' experiences and, therefore, your sales and profits too. Happy selling on Meesho. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel